ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ, ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes sir. Yes teacher. Present ma'am.
Hello children, how are you all? Are you all doing good? Fine? Happy? Very good. Children, I welcome you all to the 6th standard second language English class. Past from 2 classes, we are learning a lesson, that is, what I want for you and every child, a letter from Obama to his daughters. Today also we are going to learn the same lesson, because we have divided this lesson into 3 parts. In the last classes we have completed 2 parts of this lesson. Today we will learn the final part and the third part of this lesson. Are you all ready with your textbook, notebook, pen and pencil, children? Very good. Yes, now we are going to watch a funny video that you can also learn. See, what is that? Yes, children, did you all enjoy this video? You also learned the shadow images? Very good. Now, let us recall the lesson what you have learnt in the previous classes. Shall we do that? Are you all ready? Good. Yes, children. Now, let us recall this. This lesson, what I want for you and every child, a letter from Obama to his daughters is a beautiful and emotional letter. Who wrote this letter? It is written by former President of America. Who is the former President of America? Mr. Barack Obama. To whom he wrote that letter? Mr. Barack Obama wrote this letter to his daughters. Who are they? Yes, Malia and Sasha. Malia was 10 years old and Sasha was 7 years old. In this letter, he writes what he wants to his children and why he decided to contest in the presidential elections. When he was in the presidential campaign, his daughters Malia and Sasha had fun. What the fun did they have? That is, both of them had been to picnics, parades and state fairs. They had fun with their small puppy also, new puppy. They ate all kinds of junk food, and also Obama felt very sad as he could not spend much time with them. That means he could not able to spend much time with his daughters, and he wrote that he missed them for those 2 years. His daughters, when they entered into Obama's life, their curiosity, mischief and smiles made Mr. Obama feel his plans were not so important anymore. Mr. Obama ran for president because to provide opportunity for his daughters, Malia and Sasha, and not only for them, also for all the children in his nation. Children in his nation to be happy and successful. This is what Obama wants. All he wanted is all the children to have the opportunity to go to school, college and get good jobs that pay well. Up till we learned the lesson. Today we will learn the next part of the lesson, few more things. Be ready? Shall we move? Before we go to the lesson, let us learn some new words in the lesson. What are those? Invention. What is meant by invention, children? I-N-V-E-N-T-I-O-N. Invention. Invention means an invention is a new thing that someone has made. ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು invention ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. How we can use this word in a sentence? See the picture? Yes. ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗಷ್ಟೇ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಪೋಲಿಯೋ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? The invention of polio vaccine is a boon for mankind. Invention. The invention of polio vaccine is a boon for mankind. ಏನು ಹಾಗಂದರೆ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಇನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು, ಈ ಪೋಲಿಯೋ ಲಸಿಕೆನ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದಿರೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾನವ ಜಾತಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ವರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದಿಸ್. ಗುಡ್. Shall we move to the next one? Compassionate. What is meant by compassionate? Showing sympathy and concern for others. See the picture? He is putting some grains to the birds and animals, isn't it? He is showing sympathy and concern for the animals and birds. That is called compassionate. Compassionate means showing sympathy and concern for the others. We can use compassionate word in a sentence like this. Ram is compassionate about animals and birds. Children, please take down this. Good. Shall we move to the next one? Thrive. T-H-R-I-V-E. Thrive. What is meant by thrive? grow or develop well. Growing, ಬೆಳೆಯೋದು. ಎರಡು ರೀತಿಯ ಅರ್ಥ. ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆದಿದೆ ಗಿಡ. ಈ ಹುಡುಗ ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆದಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಬೆಳೆದಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಅವನು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಉನ್ನತ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಏರಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಎರಡು ನಾವು ಥ್ರೈವ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ. ಥ್ರೈವ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೋ ಆರ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ವೆಲ್. See here? We can see a small saplings. We can use thrive word like this. Plants need water to thrive. Plants need water to thrive. Copy this, children. Good. Now let us move to the prose lesson. What is the lesson? What I want for you and every child. A letter from Obama to his daughters. All of you go to page number 132. Please listen attentively. Later on you can also read at your home. I want us to push the boundaries of discovery so that you will live to see new technologies and inventions that improve our lives and make our planet clearer and safer. And I want us to push our own human boundaries to reach beyond the divides of race and region, gender and religion that keep us from seeing the best in each other. These are the things I want for you to grow up in a world with no limits on your dreams and no achievements beyond your reach, and grow into compassionate, committed women who will help build that world. And I want every child to have the same chances to learn and dream and grow and thrive that you girls have. That's why I have taken our family on this great adventure. I am so proud of both of you. I love you more than you can ever know. And I am grateful every day for your patience, poise, grace and humor as we prepare to start our new life together in the White House. Love, Dad. This is the letter written by Mr. Barack Obama, former President of America. Yes, children, try to read looking into your textbooks. Shall we start now? Good. I want us to push the boundaries of discovery so that you will live to see new technologies and inventions that improve our lives and make our planet clearer and safer. And I want us to push our own human boundaries to reach beyond the divides of race and region, gender and religion that keep us from seeing the best in each other. These are the things I want you to grow up in a world with no limits on your dreams and no achievements beyond your reach, and to grow into compassionate, committed women who will help build that world. And I want every child to have the same chances to learn and dream and grow and thrive that you girls have. That's why I have taken our family on this great adventure. I am so proud of both of you. I love you more than you can ever know. And I am grateful every day for your patience, poise, grace and humor as we prepare to start our new life together in the White House. Love, Dad. Yes, children, let us understand the lesson. See the family, Obama's family. Mr. Obama writes about his vision. What the vision he had? He wanted his daughters to push boundaries, live to see new technologies. He wanted his daughters to push the boundaries, live to see new technologies. What are all happening? And inventions, new things, ಹೊಸ ಉಗಮಗಳನ್ನು ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕಿರಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ವುಡ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನೆಟ್. ವಿಚ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನೆಟ್? ಅರ್ತ್. ಈ ಭೂಮಿಯ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವೈಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬದುಕೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ನ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಹಿಯರ್ he tells he wants them to push beyond the race, region, religion and gender which is dividing us all. ಅದರಿಂದಲೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗೋದು? ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ದಿರಾ ಇರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. He wants his children to grow up in a world without limits to their achievements. ಅವ್ರ ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನೇನು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸೇ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ, ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನೀವು ಸಾಧಿಸಿ. He wants them to grow up to become compassionate. What is meant by compassionate, children? ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕರುಣೆ ತೋರೋದು. So, he wants them to grow up to become compassionate and committed women. Committed, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಕೆಲಸ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆಸಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಅಥವಾ ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆಯಿಂದ, ಕಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡುವಂಥವರಾಗಲಿ. ಹೂ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಟು ದ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ. ನೋಡಿ, ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ವುಮೆನ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಹಿ? ಎಸ್, ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಬರಾಕ್ ಒಬಾಮಾ. ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ಹಿಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್? ಫಾರ್ ದೇರ್ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್, ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮರ್ as they begin to start their new life at the White House. ಅವರು ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ವೈಟ್ ಹೌಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದೇರ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಟ್ ವೈಟ್ ಹೌಸ್. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರ ಪೇಷನ್ಸು, ಸಹಕಾರ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಒಬಾಮಾ ಅವರು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿತ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಹಿ ಸೇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ಸ್ ಲವಿಂಗ್ ಡ್ಯಾಡ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಪಾತ್ರ ತಂದೆ. ಡ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತಂದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಫಾಲೋ ದ ಲೆಸನ್? ಗುಡ್. ಶೆಲ್ ವಿ ರೀಕಾಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಸಮ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್? ಎಸ್, ಕಮ್ ಆನ್. ಮೈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಈಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಡಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಒಬಾಮಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಡಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿಕಮ್? ಅವನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಬಾಮಾ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು? Yes, you are right. He wanted them to grow in the world without limits, so that he can achieve, so that they can achieve and make all their dreams come true. He also wanted them to become compassionate and committed women. Shall I repeat once again? Good. He wanted them to grow in the world without limits, so they can achieve and make all their dreams come true. He also wanted them to become compassionate women. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್, ಇದೇ ಒಬಾಮಾ ತನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹೀಗಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಬಯಸಿದ್ದು. ಎಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಡೌನ್ ದಿಸ್. Good. Shall we move to the next question? What does he mean by the terms great adventure and journey? Great adventure ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಜರ್ನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಅವರ ಅರ್ಥದಲ್ಲಿ. ಯಾರ ಅರ್ಥದಲ್ಲಿ? ಒಬಾಮಾ ಅರ್ಥದಲ್ಲಿ. What does he mean by the terms great adventure and journey? Yes, you are right. These terms refer to Obama's run for the presidential elections. ಆತ ಯಾಕೆ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆದರು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕುರಿತು ಅವರ ಅರ್ಥ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಡ್ವೆಂಚರ್ ಜರ್ನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರು ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಈ ಅರ್ಥದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಐ ರಿಪೀಟ್, ದೀಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ರೆಫರ್ ಟು ಒಬಾಮಾಸ್ ರನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ presidential elections. Please copy down this. Good. What is Mr. Obama grateful for? ಅವರು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅವರ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೆ, ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? ಎಸ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ರೈಟ್. Obama is grateful for his family's patience, poise, grace and humor as they begin to start their new life at White House. ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ಗೆ ಅವರು ಸಹಕಾರ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೊಂದಿಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಒಬಾಮಾ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ಯು ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಒಬಾಮಾ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ಹಿಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲೀಸ್ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್, ಪಾಯ್ಸ್, grace and humor as they begin to start their new life at White House. Yes, copy down. Good. See here, in your textbook, they have given an exercise on a letter. In the last classes also, we learned about the letter writing. Two types of letter writings are there. One is formal letter, another one is informal letter. See, this is an informal letter they have given to you, but somewhere there is no words. You have to fill those words by picking up from the brackets. Papu wanted to write a letter to his grandfather, but he was not sure about the choice of words. Use the words in bracket and help him to complete the letter. Understood? Yes. ಅವನಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪಪ್ಪುಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಂತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ನ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. Let us help him. Shall we read now? Yes. Mysuru, that is the address of the writer, and date 14th November 2016. Yes. Dear Grandpa, what is that? Greeting, salutation, correct. Next, body of the letter. Many happy returns of the day. Seems his grandpa's birthday, he is going to wish him. So, he is writing many happy returns of the day. I feel so. What to write in that blank? Shall we pick one word from the bracket, children? Which is that word? Can you tell me? Yes, you are right. Proud. I feel so proud to have a grandfather like you. Proud ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡ್ನ ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಗುಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್. ಸ್ವಾಸ್ಥ್ಯ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆತ. ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅನದರ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್, ಲಾಂಗ್ ಲೈಫ್. Yes. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ we have filled 3 blanks. Let us continue. I am in 6th standard now. I am doing well in my, what will suits there? Don't worry. Long life, happy birthday, studies, good health, monitor, grandma, take care, proud. Which word will be appropriate there? Yes, you are correct. Studies. I am doing well in my studies. I am doing well in my studies. Next, I take part in different activities in my school. You know, I am selected as the dash. What is there? Monitor. ಹೌದು, ಅವನು ನಾಯಕನಾಗಿದ್ದಾನಂತೆ. You know, I am selected as the monitor of the class. ಅವನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ಅವನು ಮಾನಿಟರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪಾ, ಯುವರ್ ಪಪ್ಪು ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್. ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಜ್ಜ. ಅಜ್ಜ, ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಪ್ರೌಡಾಗಿ ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯುವರ್ ಪಪ್ಪು, ನಿನ್ನ ಪಪ್ಪು ನಾನು. ಆಲ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಅಟ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಹೌ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾ. ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ? ಹೌ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಏನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು? ಎಸ್, ಡು ನಾಟ್ ವರಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ದೇರ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ದೇರ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಹಾಲಿಡೇಸ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ದೆನ್. ಆವಾಗ ನಾವು ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿರೋಣ. ಅ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ. ಹೀಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಾವು ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಎಸ್, ಅ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪಾ. ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯುವರ್ಸ್ ಪಪ್ಪು. ಎಸ್, shall we read once again? Date 14th November 2016. Dear Grandpa, many happy returns of the day. I feel so proud to have a grandfather like you. I'm happy you are blessed with good health and long life. I'm in 6th standard now. I'm doing well in my studies. I take part in different activities in my school. You know, I am selected as the monitor of the class. Grandpa, your papa will make you feel proud and happy always. All is well at home. How is Grandma? Don't worry, we will come there during Deepavali holidays. Let's enjoy then. A very happy birthday once again, Grandpa. Take care. Yours, Pappu. This is the letter written by Pappu. So children, I hope you have learnt the letter writing in English. Isn't it? It is very easy to write a informal letter. Children, I am going to give you an interesting homework. Let us see what is that. Who is Obama? Very simple question. You have to write the answer. How old were Obama's daughters when he wrote this letter to them? What fun did Obama's daughters have when he was on the campaign trail? My dear children, please take down the questions. You have to write answers for these questions. What are the two types of letters? Yes, you all know this. Name the parts of the informal letter. It is also easy. We have discussed many times in the last classes. Yes. Children, I hope you have all enjoyed the class today. Please write the homework and show it to your class teacher. Get it corrected. Good children. Thank you for listening. Lakshmi K. Shastri, Assistant Mistress, Government Higher Primary School, Chandrappa Circle, Bangalore Urban District.